Mr. Khaleil, would you like to give us a bit of how shall we say, a synopsis of what is happening in Bangladesh right now? How critical, serious is the situation? Are the protests still going on, considering that there is a curfew, the internet is shut off? What is happening, sir?
Well, the latest is that the internet connections has been restored in some places. We are still getting updates. What we understand is that the protests have entered a period of some calmness, but what we can say that for the last few days, thousands of protesters and innocent bystanders have been injured, and many have died in indiscriminate police firing. The way I would describe it is that this is the second time after 1971 the people of Bangladesh have been facing a situation where their government itself has declared a war against the people.